How bikes are made. Scene 1. Introduction. Ever wondered how your bike is made? Let's take a quick tour through the bike manufacturing process. Scene 2. Frame construction. It all starts with the frame. Steel, aluminum, or carbon fiber tubes are cut and welded together to form the bike skeleton. Scene 3. Painting and finishing. Next, the frames are cleaned, painted, and finished with protective coatings. Decals and brand logos are then applied. Scene 4. Component assembly. Meanwhile, other components like gears, brakes, and handlebars are manufactured and assembled. These parts are critical for the bike's performance. Scene 5. Wheel building. Wheels are built by inserting spokes into the hubs and attaching rims. They are then trued to ensure they spin perfectly straight. Scene 6. Final assembly. In the final assembly, all parts come together. Workers attach wheels, adjust brakes and gears, and ensure everything is perfectly aligned. Scene 7. Quality control. Quality control checks are crucial. Each bike is rigorously tested to ensure it meets safety and performance standards. Scene 8. Packaging and shipping. Finally, the bikes are carefully packaged and shipped to stores, ready for you to ride. Scene 9. Conclusion. And that's how bikes are made. From raw materials to the open road, it's a fascinating journey. Thank you for watching.